This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Pro XD Kinetic. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. In the front of the vehicle, you will find the front bumper, pre-wired winch connector behind the bumper, wiper fluid nozzle, if equipped, and windshield wiper, if equipped. The vehicle hood can be removed by turning the two quarter-turn latches and sliding forward. Underneath the hood, you will find the pulse bar, wiper fluid reservoir, if equipped, horn, airbox filter, if equipped, and Ride Command Plus module. Moving to the front suspension, you will find the shock assembly with adjustable preload, sway bar link, A-arms, CV joints and axle, tie rod assembly, ball joints, and grease zerks on the sway bar mounts. The brake fluid reservoir can be viewed through the left front wheel well. On the doors, if equipped, you will find the lockable door latch, inner door latch, manual window crank handle, and storage compartment. Once inside, the driver's seat can be lifted to access a storage compartment. On the left side of the dash, you'll find heating vents, if equipped, a cup holder, lower storage, high and low beam headlight switch, beacon light switch, if equipped, spare auxiliary slots, steering wheel adjustment lever, instrument cluster, mode and navigational switches, key switch, and gear selector with direction selector switch. On the center dash, you will find upper storage, two cup holders, parking brake, all-wheel drive switch, windshield wiper switch, if equipped, horn switch, cargo bed lift switch, if equipped, heating controls, if equipped, 12-volt socket, lower storage, and dual cup holders. On the right side of the dash is an upper storage compartment, passenger grab handle, cup holder, glove box, and lower storage compartments. Under the passenger seat, you'll find a storage compartment. Remove the storage compartment to find the 12-volt battery, high voltage service disconnect, and the fuse panel. On the floor under the passenger seat is a cutout for bucket storage. Located on the driver's side of the vehicle are the EVSE charger compartment lid and the EVSE port and cover. The cargo box tilt latch is located on both sides of the vehicle behind the doors. Tilting the cargo box will give you access to the radiator cap. The tailgate can be lowered by releasing the rear cargo box latch. Inside the cargo box, you'll find tie down points and the tire pressure and cargo load sticker. Below the tailgate is the tow hitch. Moving to the rear suspension, you'll find the shock assembly with adjustable preload, sway bar link, control arms, axle with CV joints, and grease zerks on the sway bar mounts. An additional grease zerk can be found on the prop shaft in the center of the vehicle. Refer to your owner's manual for exact location. The VIN is stamped on the driver's side rear frame above the wheel well. Another VIN label is located on the vehicle chassis in the passenger side front wheel well. Always read all warning labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.